Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Matt with eDollarGuy.com. Now, this is another week, and this is another video that you really should pay attention to, because what we're going to show here is a simple way to make $1,000 in about 1 to 2 weeks. And really, you should pay attention because these are pretty simple things to do. Now, I cannot guarantee income because I can't guarantee you qualify. I can't guarantee that you'll do the offer requirements. And I don't even want to use the word make because we're not actually selling anything. This is an opportunity to receive $1,000 if you can meet some simple requirements. And typically the reason why I put these videos out there is because I sell internet marketing tools and training. And I've noticed that if I can help put money in people's hands with simple opportunities, they tend to look at what I have to offer with more open eyes because I actually help them earn some cash, right? And it makes more sense, right? Because if I put money in your pockets, would you see what else I have? Typically, you probably would say yes. What else do you got? What else can I use to put money in my pockets? Now, these are some testimonies of people I worked with. Nora helped her make $500. Namari, I actually helped her get a card. And the funny thing about her is I showed her something that she made a lot more money than I did, and she was able to get a card. Trey, I've been working with him for a couple years. He joins me in everything because he always makes money with me. Tony, I helped her make $200. Gellin helped to make $225 last week. Tina Kellogg, she's been working with me on and off for the past couple of years. She's made over $1,500 with things I've shown her. Elizabeth, I've helped her make about $300 stars. She's got free stocks, and I don't know how much the value was, but Arthur, he's someone that doesn't typically do these kind of things, but last week I was able to help him get $300 with an offer that I showed him. Now, the company offering this killer promotion, and one of a few apps I do promote, is called Acorns. Acorns is an online savings and investing app. It's one of the first ones out there. It's endorsed by The Rock. And typically what it is an app that allows you to automatically save money, and they invest it in the stock market for you. It's kind of like a 401k is. The exception is you are in control of that money. You can take it out whenever you want. This is my favorite app for a couple reasons. It helps me save money, and another reason is they have these killer promotions that anyone can do. This week, this company is offering $1,000 if you can join up, become active, and get 5 other people to try out the app and invest at least $5, which is the minimum. Okay, this company's been running this promotion pretty much since June, every single week, with the exception of last week. And I've actually been able to get other promotions. And just to show you, we're going to show you the details of those other promotions. They pretty much been running it, like I said, since June, and a couple weeks ago was a promotion. If you can get 3 people to join the app, you'll get $500. And just to show you the details of that, I referred 3 people, or 4 people actually, that week, and I got $500. All right, if you guys notice here at the top though, you can see where I've taken out $2,000. That's from other promotions. All right, so let me show you real quick. We drew $1,000 there. This promotion was for 4 people to join up to the app, and you make $1,000. And before that was 5 referrals to make $1,000. I did that twice. Okay, so this is crazy that this company's offering this kind of money, and all you got to do to clear it up again is to join the app. You're gonna click the link in the description of this video to get started, and once you get into the app, you want to click on one time and throw in about $5. You can put in as much as you want, but $5 is the minimum. Today is October 11th. This promotion ends on the 16th at midnight Pacific Standard Time. So that gives you 6 days to get 5 people. If you get 5 people over the next 5 days, that's 1 person a day, you'll qualify for the offer. Now, who do you refer? When I first got my first promotion, I just referred my girlfriend and the friends and family. I let them know the deal. We got paid, we cashed it out, and we did something together. You guys can make that kind of arrangement, or you can go online and find referrals, because a lot of people are looking for opportunities to get extra money. And this is just basically just joining up to an app, trying it out, getting 5 people to do the same thing. So if you want to get started, once again, what you're going to do is you're going to click in the signature, you're going to register and join up. It's going to ask you if you want to do a recurring deposit. You can skip that. I personally have that on myself. It's going to ask you to do roundups. Roundups is basically a way that you can invest your spare change. You don't have to do that. You can skip that. But once you're inside the app, what you want to do is you want to click on one time, and you want to click on at least $5, and then you're qualified. And then you can find 5 other people to make $1,000. If you guys need any help, you can text me below or contact me on Facebook. Links are below that. And there's also some other opportunities below in the signature that you might want to take advantage of that are simple opportunities like this one that anyone can do. And good luck, guys, and take care and bye for now.